Hello and welcome back for part 2 of my Land Rover V8 build. In the summer of last year, 2021, I took the chassis on the back of a flatbed down to Whitbread Off Road over in the west of Wales. They're only a couple of miles from the coast. I couldn't get a recovery truck, so I had to get a flatbed, make some ramps out of 2x4 and winch the trailer on with my favourite hand winch. I'd picked to go down to Whitbread because I really liked the look of their stuff online. I'd been and spoken to them, really hoped that the cage should be exactly what I wanted, and I liked the look of their work. It took an awful long day. It was 200 odd miles down there and 200 odd miles back. Quite a big day, but they kept me updated with lots and lots of pictures while they were building it. So here you can see that the chassis has been shortened, brackets cut off, and most of the main tube work's been welded on. They fitted a receiver style hitch at the back for me, so I can use it to tow with, or fit a removable winch to the back that could then also do a upward pull. I got them to paint it as well. Here it is sat next to a shortened 88-inch chassis. Mine stayed at the full 100-inch length, wheelbase length. And here it is displayed on their stand at the Land Rover show, where I had a recovery firm pick it up for, because after the last one I was sick of moving it. And here it is sat at home waiting for me to start work on it. The work begins in part 3. So stay tuned for the next video.